Hi everyone, it's Jorik. Welcome back. Hope you're doing well. I wanted to get right into it. If you are going to be moving to Lisbon or if you're going to be coming just for a vacation, I've got some great news to pass along to you, and that is the subway system, the metro system in the metropolitan Lisbon area is going contactless. That's great because right now they're building some more stations and some more subway line throughout the city. So in the coming years, it's going to be even easier to get from one side of the city to the other. So it's a really good system in place. But now you can use, if you have a credit card or debit card, as long as it has a little contactless shield on it, you can use it. And I can tell you it's going to help greatly because we use the metro system often, and honestly the paper tickets, getting the tickets, sometimes the kiosks are out of order, or if they happen to be at a metro stop that's outside the sunlight, you can't even see the screen to see what's going on. Some of the transactions don't go through, whether you're using cash or you're using your credit or debit card, and then sometimes the transaction will go through, but then you won't actually get a ticket, so then you have to file a complaint. And sometimes, depending on time of year and season, the lines at any of the kiosks could be 10-15 minutes long before it's your time, so you might have 1, 2, or 3 subways cars pass you before you're able to get your ticket and get in line. Now going contactless makes it very easy to get into the system and get on one of the subway metro trains. So this is huge. Hopefully they may be introducing this. I would love to see it introduced across the board. So maybe this is the first sign of being introduced across the public transportation spectrum in Lisbon and maybe Greater Portugal. We'll see what that happens over time. But as always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video and enjoy your travels.